Imagine this, you are healthy, earning well, taking care of your family, and suddenly an accident happens. You can't work for months, or worse, there is a permanent disability. Now ask yourself, who pays the bills then? Will health insurance or term insurance be enough? Today, let's talk about one policy that most people ignore, but it can save your finances in such situations, and that is a personal accident policy. A personal accident policy is an insurance that gives money to your nominee in case of your unfortunate death or you get disabled because of an accident. So accident here means a sudden event like road accident, fall, slips, burns or other external violent event, not illness or disease. This policy pays a fixed lump sum amount based on the type of injury. There are 4 outcomes that are covered in this policy. First, if there's an accidental death, the family gets the full sum insured. Second, if there is permanent total disability like loss of both legs, both eyes, the policy pays up to 100% of the sum insured. Third, if there is permanent partial disability like loss of one eye, one hand, etc., it pays a certain percentage of the sum insured. Fourth, if there is a temporary total disability, you will get weekly income if you cannot work for some time. So in simple words, if an accident stops your ability to earn, this policy gives you the money. Additionally, there are some policies that also have comatose cover, which means that in case the insured person goes into coma after the accident, then the policy pays a certain percentage of the sum insured. Many people already have health insurance and term insurance. So why one more policy? See, the health insurance policy pays only hospital bills. It does not replace your lost income. Term insurance pays only if you die. What if you survive but become permanently disabled and cannot work? That's where a personal accident policy is very important in emergency planning. Accidents can happen to anyone, a pedestrian, two-wheeler riders, car drivers, even at home or workplace. If the main earning person in a family becomes disabled, the biggest problem is income loss plus extra expenses like physiotherapy, special equipment, home changes, etc. A personal accident policy gives you financial support during the toughest time so that your family can manage EMIs, school fees, and daily expenses even when income stops. Here are some of the main benefits of a personal accident policy. Number 1, higher cover at low cost. Premiums are usually quite affordable compared to term or health insurance, especially for young and middle-aged people. You can get a high sum insured without paying a very high premium. A high cover of 25 to 50 lakhs can often be obtained for just rupees 5,000 to 10,000 per year. Second, income protection after disability. If an accident causes disability, the lump sum and sometimes weekly benefit can act like a replacement income for your family. Third, worldwide 24/7 hours cover. Most policies cover accidents anywhere in the world at any time, not just while driving or at work. Fourth, extra benefits or add-ons cover. Some policies offer educational benefit for children after accidental death or permanent disability, funeral expenses, transportation of mortal remains, coverage for ambulance costs, etc. Fifth, simple structure. There are no complicated hospital bills or long list of diseases. If the accident and the disability are as per the policy terms, the benefit is paid as a fixed amount. So if you are serious about emergency planning, don't just stop at health insurance and term insurance. Add a personal accident policy as a third pillar of a protection plan.